Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your final defense. First, thoroughly understand your defense format and your committee's expectations. Next, create a detailed study schedule, allocating specific time blocks for each section of your work. This structured approach ensures you cover all material effectively. Remember to review your entire thesis or dissertation meticulously, identifying any potential weak areas or complex concepts that might require extra attention. This initial planning is crucial for a successful defense. Now, let's dive into mastering your research content. Revisit the foundational theories and methodologies that underpin your entire work. Practice explaining your research questions, methods, and findings concisely, aiming for clarity in under 2 minutes. Prepare thoroughly for questions about your study's limitations, potential future work, and any ethical considerations. Anticipate challenging questions from your committee and formulate clear, evidence-based answers to demonstrate your deep understanding and critical thinking. Next, focus on your presentation and practice. Develop a clear and engaging presentation that highlights your key contributions and findings. Practice your presentation multiple times, timing yourself carefully to ensure it fits within the allotted time, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes. Conduct mock defense sessions with peers or mentors to receive valuable feedback on your delivery and content. Refine your answers based on this feedback, focusing on conciseness, confidence, and clarity in your responses. Finally, let's talk about your final preparation and defense day mindset. Prepare a concise summary of your work, ready for a strong opening statement, perhaps lasting 1 minute. Organize all necessary materials, including any notes or visual aids you might need. Ensure you get adequate rest in the days leading up to your defense and maintain a positive, confident mindset. Trust your extensive preparation and articulate your expertise clearly and professionally. You've worked hard for this moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.